Hey y'all, hey, it's Heather with Velvet and Vines Design. So one of my favorite things to buy on Amazon is peonies. They come like this. Not really beautiful to put in your wreaths, right? But I'm gonna show you how we're gonna bring them to life with a steamer. Can't take credit for the idea, I got it from my design coach, Candy, but that's why you need a design coach in your life. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do this, y'all. Let's have fun.
I don't know why I referred to steaming flowers as fun, but maybe that's just the nerdy floral person in me. If you like those peonies or that steamer, or if you want to know who my design coach Candy is in more detail, click the link in the comments. It's to my link tree, has all the things. Under craft and supplies, you'll find the peonies and the steamer, both from Amazon, and then at the bottom, you'll find training links, and it's to my design coach's school. Check it out. So there you have it, a tip to bring some of those packaged florals back to life. Follow me for more, y'all.